Welcome to the Trident Society Seminar. My name is Tracy Allen, and I'm going to share with you who the Trident Society is and what makes us such a great company to work with regarding your pre-planning cremation needs. Whenever you attend one of the Trident Society seminars, we're always going to do as the ad has said. Make sure that you get a nice yummy meal for the day, a non-alcoholic beverage, and even the gratuities included. Now the seminar will take place before we eat. I will be speaking for about 30 to 35 minutes, depending on your interests. And so if you have any questions along the way, please write those down. A lot of your questions will be answered as I speak through the seminar. Then there will be some of your questions that are best suited for one of our licensed counselors to sit down and answer those questions in detail for you. Do you think we're going to ask you for any money today? No. This is an informational seminar only. If you like what you hear today, it makes sense, and you'd like to get further information, that's where you'll make an appointment, and you'll have a licensed counselor to come to your home in the privacy of your home and go over whatever questions that you have, bring you some pricing, bring you some brochures. Then you'll have all the information that you need to be able to make a well-informed decision. Is that fair enough? Some people have asked me, how did I get into this industry? Or why is it that I do this? Well, I'm originally from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and growing up I've always had a heart of service. I've always enjoyed being able to help people. Well, in high school I decided I wanted to be a flight attendant. So I'd go to school in Kissimmee, Florida, graduate from there, and go back home to Pittsburgh. Well, I'm trying to find a job. I look through an ad and I see a great ad that says travel, training, great pay, great benefits. But then as I'm speaking to the person that I've called this toll-free number, they inform me that this is the United States Navy. I didn't see that in the ad. However, I tell him, sign me up. So in 1984, I joined the U.S. Navy. I served my 4 years, and then I did a couple of years in the reserves. Eventually met my husband and came out to San Diego in 1994, and this is where I've been ever since. But eventually I started working for another company in the pre-need area, and I really saw the value of making sure that people have their pre-plans. You see, I remember a family coming in, and they came in arguing about everything. They had just lost someone that was very special to the family. But they argued about what was supposed to take place, who was supposed to do what, who was supposed to purchase. I mean, it was just a bunch of questions. So I saw a lot of chaos during the time of grieving. And then I recall a young lady, as she sat across from the counselor, she was about 22 or 23 years old, and as she sat across from the counselor after losing her father, and the counselor said that everything has been taken care of already, peace of mind washed over her face. That stayed with me. That says a lot. You see, when we are loving people, loving even beyond our life, I think that this is the statement that says that. When we take the time to sit down and make sure that all of our final arrangements are taken care of, this takes a lot of the burden off of our families. And so we want to make sure that we're not leaving this on the shoulders of the people that we love. Have you had to deal with a loved one's passing? Most people don't want to face this. Most people want to pretend like, I'm going to live forever. And so you have to keep in mind, it's part of life. It's the life cycle. We come in and eventually we go back out. So I want you to imagine for a moment, close your eyes, picture someone that you love, and imagine them passing out right in front of you. You're going to call 911. They're going to send the ambulance out. The ambulance is going to take them to the hospital. Once they're at the hospital, and the hospital says they're deceased. Now the hospital looks to you and they say, what is it that you want to do? And if you're not clear about what's supposed to happen, they're going to hand you a phone book and say, you need to make a decision. Now, a lot of people don't realize that if someone passes in the hospital can hold on to the body, and every day that the body sits there, while the family is trying to make a decision, each day the hospital is charging hospital stay. And this is not covered under your health insurance, because health insurance is for your health. Once you have expired, that expires as well. This is why we all need to make a plan, wouldn't you agree? How many of you have car insurance or wear seat belts? Pretty much everybody, right? Well, the chances of having an accident on the way to this venue or any other place is 10,000 to 1. 10,000 to 1. That means you're most likely going to arrive to most of the places that you have to go safely. However, the irony is you're planning for something that might happen versus something that will happen. Again, at some point in life, we're all going to go. And the chances of that is 1 to 1. 100% of all of us are going to leave here at some time. So you definitely want to make sure that you have a pre-plan to take the stress off of your family members. Most of us will make sure that we have the car insurance, home insurance, we even have cell phone insurance. But how about making sure that our families don't have to take care of this last-minute shopping at the time of need? This way, they won't be taken advantage of, and they won't have to worry about the inflated prices. Now, do you understand the need for a pre-need plan? We have 3 questions for you. Have you already decided that cremation is your final destination? If so, do you have a will, and is cremation mentioned in your will? And are you a U.S. veteran? We take care of our veterans, but many veterans are not aware that although the military does take care of our services, they don't take care of the cremation cost. You want to definitely make sure that you sit down with a counselor to find out what all the benefits are available to you for your family at the time of need. You see, this plan is not about you. When the plan goes into effect, you will no longer be living. This plan is designed to protect your loved ones from getting taken advantage of financially on their most emotional day. You see, a lot of times people are asked to buy things that they don't need at the time of need. And whenever we have something that we need right away, that's when we spend the most money versus when we plan. When we take advantage of pre-planning, ultimately, we allow our families to grieve and honor our lives. This gives our family peace of mind. Wouldn't you agree? Have you had to talk with your children about what your plans are? A lot of times, here's what the kids will say. Let's not talk about that now. I'll handle it when the time comes. Don't worry, I'll know what to do. And I know what you want. Well, the truth of the matter is, they won't know what to do all the time. And even if they do, it's going to be a very stressful time while they're trying to grieve. And they haven't always listened to everything we as parents say to them. Am I right? So this is something we want to make sure that we take care of for our children and any loved ones that we leave behind that will be responsible for all of the arrangements. You see, I have 2 children of my own. I have a 21-year-old daughter who's in the military, far away, and I have a 19-year-old son who stays with me and goes to college. When I think about those 2 children of mine, I do not want to have that burden left on their shoulders when mom goes. So I had to talk with my children. I said, children, mom is going to get cremated, hopefully no time soon. But my plan is to have cremation. So I just want to know who wants what. So my daughter, she says, well, I would like to have a ring with some ashes in it. You know, you can have pendants and all sorts of things with the remains. Well, my son says he would like to keep the urn. So we've had this discussion. Mom is in pretty good health. So it's not like they're fearing that, oh, I'm about to leave here anytime soon. But it's important for me as a parent to make sure that my children have that peace of mind knowing that they won't be the ones that have to run around stressing out at the time of need. And again, it's not always old age that gets us. We never know what could happen. So just to make sure that they have peace of mind, I have peace of mind knowing that they won't be stressed out during the time of grieving. So now you as a parent, are you ready to have that conversation? You see, Time Magazine backs us up in what we're saying. They say parents need to be parents one last time. It's selfish not to take care of these end-of-life issues and selfish not to communicate with your kids about them. More importantly, it's the final statement you make as a parent. You should make this decision and not leave it to your kids or loved ones. Done openly, it will ensure the greatest legacy of all, family members who remain friends after you're gone. Wouldn't you agree? What does an average funeral cost today? Well, the average cost of a funeral is somewhere between $6,800 on up to about $18,900. Now, this is a national average. Here in the state of California, where we are, it's upwards to about $22,000. It's very, very expensive. So even if you have life insurance, now you're asking the children or whoever it is that's left to take care of these arrangements to take part of the money that they're supposed to live off of to bury you. So a lot of people are choosing cremation simply because it's not as costly. And there's a number of reasons, and we'll share a few more reasons in just a moment. But since you've chosen cremation, what's the range of cremation, you ask? Funeral costs can exceed $12,000 to $15,000, but cremations tend to cost far less than the average burial. The Cremation Association of North America, CANA, estimates that in 2010, nearly 41% of Americans opted for a cremation over a burial. That's up from just 26% in 2000. Why the huge shift to cremations? While some people prefer cremations because it disposes of the body immediately, or because cremated remains do not need to be buried and therefore save land, the primary reason is attributed to the lower cost of a cremation over burial. So how does the average cost of a cremation compare to other funeral costs and to burials? We collected and compiled pricing information from over 1,000 funeral homes across the nation in 2012 in order to determine the average cost of a funeral, burial, and cremation, and found the average cost of a cremation to be $3,725. Compare that to $8,565 we estimate as the average cost of a burial in 2012. It's important to note that this average cremation cost involves a basic service fee, professional care, a viewing, a funeral ceremony, and an urn. And keep in mind the average cost of a cremation as calculated by us does not include the costs associated with the purchase of flowers, obituaries, death certificates, and so on. We calculate the average cost of a cremation is about $3,725, but that is an average. That is not a one-price-fits-all, and it does not include the Trident Society's travel protection plan, and I'll share what that is in just a moment. But again, it is not a one-price-fits-all. Your cremation price is determined by who you are, how you live your life, and what is it that you want. That's the reason why it's so important to sit down with a licensed consultant that can go over what your specific needs are in the privacy of your home. Don't fall for the signs that say prices as low as whatever it may be, or something that has an asterisk beside it. Get the facts. Make sure that you take the time to sit down with someone. Find out what your pricing is when you're thinking about cremation versus traditional burial. Financially, which one makes the most sense? Now, is your current plan no plan? There are lots of questions that people have when it comes to this, and that's another reason why you want to make sure that you sit down with someone that can answer all of your questions, such as, who will be in charge and what will they do first? How do I ensure my wishes are taken care of once I'm gone? Will we pay the proper amount and not be taken advantage of? Who will pay for my final arrangements? What if the family disagrees? Who will notify everyone that I care about? Who's going to coordinate, file, and obtain the necessary medical permits? Who will notify and file with the necessary government agencies, such as the Social Security Office, the VA, etc.? These are all questions that all of our attendees have, and everyone that contemplates making sure that their final arrangements are taken care of. With the Trident Society, we're going to make sure that all of this is taken care of for you, so that you will have peace of mind, your family will have peace of mind, and there's not this chaos. Do you think not having a plan will be chaos? You can depend on the Trident Society. You see, we have fixed total package pricing. There will be no upselling or add-ons at the time of need. We have worldwide coverage, including relocation. I'm going to share that with you in just a moment. We are the largest and oldest cremation company in America. We have over $200 million that's in a trust. That money is federally regulated and annually audited, so that it's there for our members at the time of need. And we've been caring for families like yours since 1974. And we're very proud to say that we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and that is for all of our facilities. You definitely want to make sure that you're doing business with a reputable company when it comes to pre-planning. Everything is included. We leave nothing to chance. So doesn't this sound like a company you'd like to do business with? The Trident Society is under the umbrella of SCI. SCI stands for Service Corporation International. The company was founded back in 1962, and the founder, Robert Waltrip, is still on the board of advisors today. It's a publicly held company traded on the New York Stock Exchange, roughly 2,300 funeral homes, crematories, and cemeteries worldwide, over 25,000 employees, and combined total assets worth over $9.8 billion. Since we are under the umbrella of SCI, they have our back. Our culture is changing. So why the sudden need for pre-need? A lot of people are saying that they're able to spare their families the burden that will be put on them at the time of need. 10 years ago, 70% of the population chose direct burial, and only about 30% were doing cremation. Now it's pretty much flipped. We have about 35% of the population that chooses direct burial versus 65% that's choosing cremation. Why? The church has changed its views. You see, a lot of churches at one time felt that cremation was taboo, and so they would not allow their members to have cremation. But we're living in the worst economy since the Great Depression, so more and more churches are seeing the value of allowing their members to go ahead and take advantage of cremation. Even some people have shared with me that they have learned that pastors that they knew passed on had a cremation. We're running out of room. Here in San Diego, for the Rosecrans Veterans Cemetery, they have just gotten rid of their last space. So there is no more burial room at Rosecrans. Cremation is the more popular choice. The Trident Society has created a product that is properly priced and includes all the bells and whistles. So now let me share with you what the bells and whistles are. The Trident Society has the Relocation and Travel Protection Plan. This is our optional benefit. I think it's pretty much mandatory because if you enjoy traveling, if you like to go anywhere outside of the city that you live, you definitely want to look into how this works for you. Imagine yourself, you're going on a vacation, you love going across the world, you love going places. Again, we don't know when the time is going to come for us to leave this earth. So if you are across the seas, or if you're across the country, or maybe a couple hundred miles away from the place of origin where you started your plan, all the family will have to do is call the 1-800 number and everything will start from there. You see, no matter where you are, all the costs are covered when death occurs. All the necessary paperwork will be taken care of, and all the transportation costs are taken care of at that time. A lot of people don't realize, but it's an average of $3 to $5 per mile that will be left on your family's shoulders to take care of. Now imagine if you're, let's say, overseas. Let's say you're here in California, you decide to take a trip to Africa. Pretty exciting. But if something happens, you pass away while you're over in Africa, what's the first thing that your family needs to do? Have you ever thought about that? So instead of the family having to worry about language barriers, what's supposed to happen, the Trident Society will make sure that everything is taken care of. They don't have to have that stress. And then relocation. What if you decide you want to move? Well, what if your health fails you? Sometimes our health does fail us. Like, for example, I have a friend, the family is from South Carolina, but the father has become very ill. And so most of the family has now moved to Georgia, and now they've moved him to Georgia in a hospice so that they can go ahead and take care of him, have him close and take care of him. But if he passes while he's in Georgia, they're going to need to get him back to South Carolina because that is where his burial plot is already there, his wife is already buried there, and other family members are there. That is his desire. However, it's going to be an expense on the family, about 300 plus miles, at just $3 per mile. That is the money that is going to be taken out of the pockets of the loved ones to get him back to where he wants to go. When you speak with your counselor, make sure that you ask more details about the travel and relocation plan. All costs are included. It will save your family a lot of grief, as well as you, peace of mind. Now, another benefit that we have, and this is just standard, we have the child and grandchild protection. You see, every year we lose about 60,000 children to untimely deaths. And we see many families that are on the news or on the streets trying to raise money to bury someone by doing car washes or selling baked goods. And so instead of the family having to do all of that, once you have your pre-need plan, any children and grandchildren that you have under the age of 21 will be taken care of as well. It's an additional benefit at no additional cost to you, and will provide free service and merchandise to your living children or grandchildren with the purchase of a pre-need agreement. Every time I see this little girl, I think of myself. I had some friends that wanted me to go to the swimming pool with them, and my mother originally said no because I couldn't swim. But they said, oh, please, we will take good care of her. So reluctantly, my mother says, okay. Well, we get to the pool, we're all having a great time, but eventually they wanted to swim, and so they started swimming, having a good time. I got a little bored, started doing some things going around the pool, wound up going and falling into the middle of the 9 feet of the pool. I did not know how to float. I did not know how to swim. So I'm down there looking up and wondering, what am I going to do? Well, 3 times I come up and no one sees me. On that 3rd time, I remember thinking to myself, this must be how I'm going to die. I black out and I fall back to the bottom of the pool. Eventually, someone comes through. As she swims, she bumps into me floating at the bottom of the pool. So she gets help. They fish me out of the water, pump me back to life, and now I'm here today. But this story could have gone a whole different direction, and it would not have only emotionally devastated my family, but financially as well, because we didn't have any money. When you have the child and grandchild protection, it's just a little added peace of mind. And again, we pray that your family never has to use this, but it is there in case it's needed. Another really nice benefit that the Trident Society provides is making everlasting memories. This is where you'll be able to share your own story with your own words and your own voice. You'll be able to share your life story online, and it will remain online for up to a year, one full year after your passing. But you'll be able to go ahead and share with your loved ones your favorite photo, your biography told by you, and your own enduring voice message. Many of us will lose friends, family, and will hold on to voice messages that they've sent us or emails, whatever it is, the last thing that they sent to us, we want to hold on to that for as long as we can. But sometimes those voicemails have nothing to do with our last thoughts. When it comes to being able to share your story, you'll be able to say what it is that you want people to know after you're gone. How much you love them, whatever your thoughts are, you'll be able to put that down for those people to still reflect and hear your voice and connect with what you wanted them to know after you've passed. Now, isn't that such a loving thing? And we want to make sure that the people that we love still feel loved beyond our passing. Is there anything more important? Now, these are the steps that we take at the time of need. Just to share with you, back in January, I had someone that attended my seminar, and about 2 weeks later, his wife passed away. It was very important for him to receive the care that we had because he's originally from New York. He doesn't have any family members, so everything was on him. When everything was taken care of and it took all this stress off of him, he let me know that he was very much comforted by how the Trident Society handled his particular situation. At the time of need, professional service by our funeral director and our at-need staff go into action. We'll take the body into our care. Transportation and refrigeration is provided. Filing of the death certificate and necessary permits. Assistance with filing for Social Security and veteran benefits. They'll make sure that your families receive all the benefits that are due to them at that time. 100% of the cremations are done in our own facilities. We own all of our crematories and we don't do any outsourcing. The disposition of your remains is your choice. If you would like to have a scattering at sea, we have biodegradable urns. If you'd like the remains returned to the family in an urn, we can do that. Or we can have the urn sent directly to a national or a private cemetery. It's totally your choice. But whatever your wishes are, we will make sure that everything is taken care of here. It is a 100% satisfaction guaranteed to your family at the time of need. And again, when you have all of these things that need to take place, a lot of family members will not know all of this needs to be done. So something might get left out. Any benefits that might be due to the family might get left out. Why leave that money on the table for someone else to take advantage of? Make sure that your family is protected by getting your pre-need plan. Now remember, there will be no upselling to your family at the most vulnerable time. When you become a member with the Trident Society, you're going to get this beautiful cherry wood chest. It's a memento kit. And the memento chest keeps important papers and documents organized right there inside the chest. You'll receive a pre-planned book so that you can make sure that everything is organized, passwords that the family needs to know about, friends or family members even that you want people to contact upon your passing. You'll want to make sure that you put that information in the pre-planned book. You'll receive a memento urn. This is our standard urn, so you don't have to worry about going out and buying an extravagant urn unless you just want to. But this is already provided in your kit. You'll receive a photo frame keepsake, and you'll have 25 thank you cards for your family to be able to send out to people that have sent flowers, food, whatever it is that people are sending to support sympathy for your family. Once you become a member with the Trident Society, you'll receive 2 of these cards. They're about the size of a credit card, and they're little plastic cards. It will have the 1-800 number on there as well as your personal information. And all you need to do is make sure that you let your family know this is all they need to do is call this toll-free number. We always suggest that you put one of the cards on the front of your refrigerator and one in your wallet. Make some copies. Make sure that you have this conversation with the people that you love and let them know how easy the process will be at the time of grieving. They don't have to stress out about all of these details at that time. So they'll simply call the 1-800 number, which is manned 24/7 right here in the United States. They'll always have a live person to speak with. And keep in mind, if we are sent to a hospital for whether it's health or some accident, the hospital actually has peace of mind when we come in with a pre-planned card. I had a nurse explain to me that when they see that pre-planned card, it puts them at ease simply because if you pass away while you're in the hospital, they're waiting for your family members to make a decision as to what to do with you. And they can get very expensive, very chaotic. Everyone has more peace of mind when we have this card. And so instead of the hospital asking your family to look through the phone book, which would you rather them to do? Have the phone book or have this toll-free number? So have we answered your questions? Just to recap, all costs are covered. There is no upselling. You're locking in today's fixed pricing. The money goes into a trust account to protect your family. One phone call gets the Trident Society into action so that your family can comfort each other and celebrate your life. We have hundreds of thousands of members. Isn't the Trident Society the type of company that you can trust and feel good about and have confidence that your pre-need plans will be taken care of? Other than cost, is there any reason not to make your appointment today? I'd like to congratulate you for sticking around and watching this presentation. You've made the first and important step about getting more information so that you can protect your loved ones at the time of need. Once you make your appointment with a licensed counselor, that counselor will come out to you in the privacy of your home and go over your questions, bring you some brochures, bring you your pricing, and it only takes about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how much you fall in love with that counselor that comes out, because we have really awesome counselors. So make sure that you get your appointment, get these questions answered, have the information, get your plan, don't procrastinate, get it taken care of, because we're never guaranteed the next 30 seconds of our lives. So the faster you get it done, the faster you'll have that peace of mind. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Tracy Allen. Have an awesome day.